house looked like a showroom after midnight. Perfect, polished, cold. Floor-to-ceiling windows framed the city. Lights glittering like a promise Taehyung kept making but never quite fulfilled. His jacket lay draped over a chair. His laptop sat open on the dining table. His phone buzzed every few seconds. Taehyung loosened his tie, eyes fixed on the screen. "Tai, move the meeting to 9 tomorrow." "No, earlier. I'll be flying." His secretary's voice crackled through the call. "Secretary, sir, you've already rescheduled twice." "Tai, then schedule it again." Behind him, something small and determined waddled across the marble floor. Bare feet, pajamas inside out, hair sticking up in soft curls like he'd been personally insulted by gravity. Kim Tae-yu stopped exactly behind Taehyung's chair. He stared, then, very deliberately, cleared his throat. "Tae-yu, ahem." Taehyung didn't turn. "Tai, I said 9. Tae-yu's face crunched. He lifted a plush dinosaur and smacked Taehyung's scarf with it. "Tae-yu, appa." Taehyung flinched. "Tai, hold on." He muted the call and turned slowly. "Tai, why are you awake?" Tae-yu planted his hands on his hips, copying Taehyung's exact posture. Same tilt of the chin, same unimpressed stare. Jungkook appeared in the hallway, leaning against the wall with crossed arms, watching the scene like it was a drama he'd already memorized. "Jungkook, he waited for you." Taehyung exhaled. "Tai, I told him I'd come tuck him in." "Jungkook, you told him that yesterday too." Tae-yu nodded aggressively. "Tae-yu, yesterday." Then, because he was dramatic by nature, he threw himself backward onto the floor, flat, starfish position. "Tae-yu, appa no come." Taehyung stared down at his son. "Tai, are you protesting?" Tae-yu kicked the air. "Tae-yu, yes." Jungkook snorted despite himself. "Jungkook, he learned that word from you." Taehyung pinched the bridge of his nose. "Tai, get up." Tae-yu didn't move. He stared at the ceiling like a wronged citizen. "Tae-yu, appa word." Something about the way he said it, matter of fact, accepting, hit harder than a tantrum. Taehyung crouched. "Tai, appa is working so you can have nice things." Tae-yu turned his head slowly. "Tae-yu, I want appa." Silence. Jungkook's expression softened, but he didn't interfere. He rarely did anymore, not because he didn't care, but because he was tired of fighting battles Taehyung didn't seem to notice. Taehyung stood abruptly. "Tai, I have a call." Taeyu's eyes widened, then narrowed. Then, he screamed, not crying, screaming, high, loud, offended. "Taeyu, appa." Taehyung rushed to mute his laptop again. "Tai, Taeyu, too late." From the laptop speakers, board member. "Sir, is that a child?" Taehyung crawled toward the laptop like it had personally insulted him. "Taeyu, no call." He slapped the keyboard. The screen went black. Dead silence. Jungkook burst out laughing. Taehyung stared at the dark screen, jaw tight. "Tai, I was on with Tokyo." Taeyu climbed onto Taehyung's leg and hugged it like a tree. "Taeyu, home." Taehyung peeled him off gently. "Tai, Jungkook, Jungkook, don't look at me. You created him." Taeyu ran straight into Jungkook's arms instead, buried his face in his neck. "Taeyu, Cookie." Taehyung frowned. "Tai, why does he call you that?" Jungkook shrugged. "Jungkook, because you do. And because he likes me." Taeyu nodded enthusiastically. "Taeyu, like Cookie." Taehyung felt something twist in his chest, sharp and unfamiliar. Later that night, the house was dim and quiet. Taehyung finally shut his laptop. He walked toward the nursery. The door was half open. Inside, Jungkook sat in the rocking chair, humming softly. Taeyu was curled against him, thumb in his mouth, eyelashes fluttering with sleep. Taehyung leaned against the doorframe, watched. The way Jungkook's hand moved in slow circles on their son's back. The way Taeyu relaxed completely in his arms, like this was where he belonged. Taehyung had been home for exactly 12 minutes when he realized something was wrong. Not wrong in the obvious sense. The house was quiet. Too quiet. No tiny footsteps thudding across marble floors. No dramatic appa scream for absolutely no reason. No toys mysteriously attacking his ankles. It felt lived in without him. "Tai, I'm home." No response. He loosened his tie, checking his watch out of habit. Then frowned when he noticed the office door down the hall was closed. That was new. He walked toward it, briefcase still in hand, and reached for the handle. It didn't budge. Tie. He tried again. Locked. Tie. Why is my office locked? From inside, a very familiar tiny voice answered, muffled but firm. Teyu. No appa. Tie blinked. Tie. What? Teyu. Appa work. Tie stared at the door like it had personally offended him. Tie. Teyu. Open the door. A pause. Then, click. The sound of a chair scraping. Teyu. Very seriously, office busy. Tie. You're in my office. Teyu. Yes. Tie. Why? Teyu. Appa always there. Tai pinched the bridge of his nose. From the living room, Jungkook's voice floated in, suspiciously calm. Jungkook. Did he lock you out? Tai. He locked me out. Jungkook. That tracks. Tai turned slowly. Tai. You knew? Jungkook shrugged from the couch. Taeyu's favorite stuffed dinosaur tucked under his arm. Jungkook. He learned how locks work yesterday. I lost access to the bedroom for an hour. Tai. Why didn't you stop him? Jungkook smiled faintly. Jungkook. I wanted to see how long it would take for you to notice. That stung. Just a little. Before Tai could respond, the office door creaked open an inch. Taeyu peeked out. His tiny face was dead serious. Cold. Blank. An exact replica of Taehyung's CEO expression. The resemblance hit Tai like a slap. Taeyu. Flat. Meeting. Tai's mouth fell open. Tai. Did you just? Taeyu copied him again. Arms crossed. Chin lifted. Taeyu. Busy. Jungkook covered his mouth. Shoulders shaking. Jungkook. Oh my god. That's you. That's literally you. Tai. He cannot talk to me like that. Taeyu. Appa talk like that. Silence. That one landed clean. Tai straightened, trying to laugh it off. Tai. Okay. Meeting's over. Come here. He held his arms out. Taeyu looked at them, then turned away and ran straight to Jungkook. Wrapped himself around Jungkook's leg like a koala. Taeyu. Cookie. Jungkook automatically bent, lifting him. Jungkook. Hey, baby. Tai's arms were still out. Empty. Tai. Taeyu. Taeyu didn't look back. Not angry, not upset, just uninterested. Later that night, it was past 10. The lights were dim. Taehyung sat at the dining table, laptop open, headset on. Tai. Yes, move the meeting to Thursday. No, I don't care if. From down the hallway, Taeyu. Cookie. Loud. Sharp. Perfectly timed. Tai winced. Tai. Muted 1 second. He turned in his chair. Tai. Taeyu. It's late. Taeyu appeared in the doorway, hair sticking up, clutching his blanket. Taeyu. Cookie. Jungkook followed, arms crossed loosely. Jungkook. He won't sleep. Tai sighed, already standing. Tai. Come here. Then, he reached down. Taeyu stared at his arms, then shook his head. Taeyu. No. Tai froze. Tai. What do you mean? No? Taeyu pointed at the laptop. Taeyu. Appa work. Then he turned back to Jungkook and held his arms up. Taeyu. Cookie. Jungkook hesitated, just for a second, then picked him up. Jungkook. Okay. Let's go. They walked away. Taehyung stood there, headset still hanging around his neck. Call forgotten. The house felt bigger than it should. The next morning, Taehyung woke early, earlier than usual. He padded into the kitchen, expecting the usual chaos. Instead, Taeyu sat in his high chair, eating cereal. Jungkook stood beside him, coffee in hand. They were laughing, quietly. Taehyung cancelled 3 meetings that morning. That alone should have been alarming. He stood in front of the full-length mirror, sleeves rolled up instead of buttoned tight. Tie abandoned on the dresser. He looked almost like himself from years ago, before mergers, before acquisitions, before the word home became a place he passed through. He walked into the living room with deliberate confidence. Tai. Taeyu. The toddler was on the floor, surrounded by toys, very loudly feeding a stuffed dinosaur cereal with a spoon. Taeyu. Eat. Tai crouched. Tai. Good morning. Taeyu glanced up, then copied his tone perfectly. Taeyu. Flat. Good morning. Jungkook. Passing by with laundry. Froze. Jungkook. He did the voice again. Tai. He's mocking me. Jungkook. He's learning from you. That shouldn't have hurt. But it did. Tae reached for the dinosaur. Tae, can Appa play too? Taeyu stared at his hands, then moved the dinosaur away. Taeyu, no. Tae, why not? Taeyu frowned, like the answer was obvious. Taeyu, Appa busy. Tae swallowed. Tae, not today. Taeyu didn't argue. That was wars. He just turned back to his toy. Dismissed. Attempt number 1. Breakfast. Tae insisted on cooking. Jungkook watched from the counter, arms crossed, expression unreadable. Jungkook, you don't have to. Tae, I want to. The kitchen smelled like toast and eggs and something slightly burned. Taeyu sat in his high chair, kicking his feet. Tae placed the plate in front of him with care. Tae, I made it. Taeyu looked down, then poked the egg suspiciously. Taeyu, hot? Tae, not too hot. Taeyu leaned forward, then, without warning, picked up a piece of toast and threw it. It landed directly on Tae's chest. Jungkook gasped. Jungkook. Taeyu. Taeyu pointed. Taeyu. Appa shirt. Like work. Silence. Tae looked down at the toast on his expensive shirt, then laughed. A real laugh. Soft. Surprised. Tae. Okay. Fair. Jungkook blinked, clearly not expecting that reaction. Tae cleaned himself up, then sat across from his son. Tae, can we eat together? Taeyu hesitated, then nodded once. Progress. Attempt number 2. The park. They went out later that afternoon. No phone, no calls, just the 3 of them. Taeyu ran ahead, tiny legs unstoppable. Jungkook walked beside Tae, close but not touching. Tae, you didn't stop me today. Jungkook. From what? Tae, from cancelling meetings. Jungkook looked ahead. Jungkook, I didn't think it would change your mind. That landed quietly. At the playground, Tae lifted Taeyu onto the slide. Taeyu laughed. Loud. Delighted. Tae's chest warmed. Tae. Again? Taeyu. Again. They did it again. And again. Then Tae checked his watch without thinking. Taeyu noticed. Immediately. Taeyu. Appa go? Tae froze. Tae. No. Taeyu tilted his head. Suspicious. Taeyu. Phone? Tae pulled it out, showed the dark screen. Tae. Off. Taeyu studied it, then nodded, satisfied. But the damage was done. That night, Taeyu was half asleep in Jungkook's arms when Tae reached for him. Tae. Let me. Jungkook hesitated, then gently handed him over. Taeyu stirred, opened his eyes, saw Tae, and immediately started squirming. Taeyu. No. Cookie. Tae tightened his grip, not letting go. Tae, I've got you. Taeyu's face crumpled, not into tears, into frustration. Taeyu. Appa. Go. That was it. Tae's arms slackened. Jungkook stepped in, took Taeyu back without a word. They walked away together. Tae stood in the hallway long after. Later, alone, Taehyung sat on the edge of the bed, hands clasped. Jungkook entered quietly. Jungkook. He doesn't hate you. Tae didn't look up. Tae, I know. Jungkook. He's just adapted. That word, adapted. Tae exhaled shakily. Tae, when did that happen? Jungkook didn't answer immediately. Jungkook, when you stopped coming home early.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn.
The office. Taehyung sat in his office staring at a blank screen. No meetings, no calls, just the echo of "Bye Appa." His assistant knocked. Assistant. Sir, Director Ha is asking if Tae. Cancel. Assistant blinked. Assistant. All of it? Tae? All of it. The door closed. Tae leaned back, hands over his face. For the first time in years, work felt pointless. Across the city, Jungkook strapped Taeyu into his car seat. Taeyu kicked happily. Taeyu. Park. Jungkook. Park. Taeyu clapped. Taeyu. No Appa. Jungkook froze for half a second, then smiled. Jungkook. Just us today. They drove. Windows down, music low, normal. The call. Taehyung was halfway through making coffee. He didn't want when his phone rang. Unknown number. He almost ignored it. Almost. Tae, Kim Taehyung. Voice. Strained, sir. Are you Jungkook's emergency contact? The mug slipped from his hand. Shattered. Tae, what happened? Not a question. Voice. There's been an accident. The world tilted. Tae, what kind of accident? Voice. There was a collision. Minor. But, Tae, where? The word came out sharp. Terrified. An address. A hospital name. Tae didn't remember leaving the house, only that he was driving too fast. Hands shaking on the wheel. Heart pounding so loud it drowned out every thought except one. If I was there, if I had gone with them, if I had stayed. The hospital, the waiting room smelled like antiseptic and fear. Taehyung burst through the doors. Tae, Jungkook. Heads turned. A nurse stood quickly. Nurse, sir, Tae, where is he? Jungkook appeared from behind a curtain, standing, alive, holding Taehyung. Taehyung had a tiny bandage on his forehead and was chewing on a juice box like nothing in the world had gone wrong. Tae's knees nearly gave out. Tae, oh my God. He crossed the room in 3 strides and pulled them both into his arms. Too tight, too desperate. Jungkook stiffened slightly. Taehyung squeaked. Taehyung, appa squish. Tae laughed shakily. Cried at the same time. Tae, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Jungkook looked at him, confused. Jungkook. Tae, if I had been there. Jungkook. Tae didn't stop. Tae, if I wasn't always working, if I had driven you, if I had. Jungkook grabbed his face. Firm. Grounding. Jungkook. Stop. Tae's eyes were wild. Jungkook. It was a fender bender. Someone ran a red light. We're fine. Tae shook his head. Tae. No, this is my fault. Jungkook. It is not. Tae's voice broke. Tae. If something had happened to you, to him, I wouldn't have survived it. Taehyung chose that moment to pat Tae's cheek. Taehyung. Appa cry. Tae pressed his forehead to his son's. Tae, I almost lost you. Taehyung blinked, then did something unexpected. He reached out, grabbed Tae's collar, and held on, not pushing away, not refusing, holding. Tae froze. Jungkook noticed. Jungkook. Tae whispered. Tae? He held me. Jungkook smiled softly. Jungkook. He noticed you ran to us. Tae swallowed. Tae, I should have always done that. The truth. Later that night, they were home. Taehyung asleep between them on the couch. Safe. Warm. Taehyung hadn't let go. Tae, you didn't tell me where you were going. Jungkook hesitated, then exhaled. Jungkook. Because I needed you to feel it. Tae went still. Tae, feel what? Jungkook met his eyes. Jungkook. What it would be like if we weren't there waiting for you anymore. Silence. Heavy. Jungkook. I didn't plan the accident. God. Tae, I would never risk him. Tae nodded quickly. Tae, I know. Jungkook. But I did stop asking you to come home. That landed. Jungkook. And I let you feel the space you kept leaving behind. Tae's voice was hoarse. Tae, you taught me a lesson. Jungkook shook his head. Jungkook. No. You taught yourself. Tae looked down at Taehyung. The bandage. The tiny fingers curled into his shirt. Tae, thank you. Jungkook blinked. Jungkook. For what? Tae, for not giving up on me. Jungkook's voice softened. Jungkook. Come home to us.